First, I'm just going to be putting my transition shade down, which for me is $7 from Makeup Geek. Coming in with a mid-tone brown. This one is Lil Boat from ColourPop. Putting that all over my lid and my crease. Then on a smaller fluffy brush, I'm using a more concentrated dose of Lil Boat, but still a Lil Boat, and I'm putting it on the outer corner. Lining my bottom waterline only about halfway with a black liner, and then going in and taking that Lil Boat down. I'm like the iceberg for the Titanic. Taking that black eyeliner again, which happens to be a kohl liner, I'm going to be taking it on an angled eyeliner brush and just basically putting a small wing over my eyelid and then carrying it out ever so slightly. Now just going over that with a black shadow to really just smoke it out. And then smoking it out. Then lastly, because she does have a slight little shimmer to it, almost like a veil of sorts. Veil, because don't call me Angel. I'm going to be putting Juvenile, which is a supernova shadow from ColourPop, over top of that with my finger. Going from the inner corner and out, because it doesn't seem like she has much on the outside besides just a little wing. Some mascara. And lastly, the lips.